Hi, my name is Mary Love Tagert, Associate Extension Professor for the MSU Department of Agricultural and Biological Engineering. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly assemble and install granular matrix soil moisture sensors. Step 1. Assemble your sensors. Cut 1/2 inch class 315 PVC pipe to the desired length or installation depth, adding 4 to 6 inches of PVC pipe to this length. Cut a notch for the wire to exit the top of the pipe. Glue the sensor into the end of the pipe by using PVC primer and glue. Cap the pipe at the top so surface water can't run down into the pipe. Drill a small hole at the bottom of the pipe just above the sensor to allow any trapped water to drain. Measure from the midpoint of the sensor to mark the installation depth on the pipe. Step 2. Condition sensors for faster response to changing soil moisture conditions. Wet sensors for 30 minutes in the morning and again in the evening for 2 days. After the 4th time wetting sensors, let sensors soak overnight, then install wet the following day. And wet is when the sensors read between 0 to 5 centibars. Step 3. Install your sensors. Make a sensor access hole to the desired depth that is 1 inch in diameter. The installation depth will depend on the rooting zone of the crop. Install more than one sensor in deeper rooted crops. There are different tools that can be used for installing sensors, but if you plan to install a lot of sensors, you may want to invest in a power auger, which you can find for around $300 or less. A machine shop can customize the auger with a drill bit to fit your needs. Pour water into the hole to ensure maximum soil to sensor contact, create a tight seal, and grout the sensor into the soil. Insert the sensor while twisting and moving up and down in the hole to ensure a tight seal. Finally, pack soil around the top of the hole and connect wires to your data logger. To ensure accurate soil tension readings, it's important for the sensor to fit tightly in the soil. For more information on soil moisture sensor installation, you can contact me, Mary Love Tagert, at 662-325-4617, or you can contact your local county extension agent.